Standard 6th Subject General Science. Unit number 7 Nutrition and Diet. Hello students, you have known that food is our most important basic need. The food that we consume throughout a day is called our diet. Food and water are necessary for our survival. There are different constituents of food. Constituents of food, Anna Ghatak. They are also called nutrients. Nutrients, Poshak Tattve. In our seventh lesson, Nutrition and Diet, we are going to learn about importance of nutrients and balanced diet. Okay, let's start. First section is given here. Can you recall? First question is, which are the various groups of foodstuffs? What is meaning of foodstuffs? Foodstuffs are substances which people eat. The various groups of foodstuffs are fruit group, vegetable group, protein group, grains or cereals group and dairy group. Foodstuffs, अन्न पदार्थ. Next question is, name the ones you see in the pictures. Fishes, fruits, meat, eggs, milk and milk products, oil, cereals, pulses, vegetables. These foodstuffs are shown in this picture 7.1. Next question is, which main constituents of food do we get from them? We get the constituents of food such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber from these foodstuffs. There are different purposes of taking food and water, such as obtaining energy. We get energy through the food that we eat. Food is necessary for growth of our body. Food is essential to carry out day-to-day functions of the body. To fight diseases, food is necessary. In living things, the process of taking in food and water and using it for growth and other purposes is called nutrition. The constituents of food useful for these purposes are called nutrients. Let's take information about nutrients and foodstuffs. There are 6 main nutrients in our food: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients or constituents of food are present in the different food items. The proportion of these food items or foodstuffs is different. Let's learn more about some of them. First is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates म्हणजे कर्बोदके. Students, our main need is of energy. It is fulfilled by carbohydrates. We get carbohydrates from rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, ragi. Ragi म्हणजे नाचणी, maize, etc. So, our diet includes a large proportion of cereals in the form of rice, chapati or roti, bhakri, and bread, which contain carbohydrates. Cereals are our staple food. Cereals म्हणजे तृणधान्ये. तृणधान्यात मोठ्या प्रमाणावर कर्बोदके असतात, म्हणून तृणधान्ये आपल्या अन्नातील मुख्य घटक आहेत. नेक्स्ट न्यूट्रिएंट फॅट्स. फॅट्स स्निग्ध पदार्थ. सम पार्ट ऑफ अवर एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट is also fulfilled by fatty foods such as oil, ghee, butter, etc. We get energy in the form of heat from the food we eat. Heat is measured in kilocalories. Hence, the energy in food items is also measured in kilocalories or calories. Children of growing age need to get approximately 2000 to 2500 calories from the food they eat. Next nutrient, proteins. Prathine. Proteins are necessary for growth of our body. It is necessary to repair the wear and tear of the body and for other purposes. Wear and tear शरीराची होणारी झीज. We get proteins from the sprouts, milk and milk products, meat and eggs in our food. Next, nutrients are minerals, vitamins, and fiber. Our body needs vitamins, minerals, and fiber to improve the body's resistance to disease and for other life processes. We obtain these nutrients mainly from vegetables and fruits. We require vitamins and minerals in small quantities, but their deficiency can lead to various diseases. Let's learn minerals first. The body needs several inorganic substances. They are called minerals. These inorganic substances come from the soil and water and are absorbed by plants or eaten by animals. Here in this table, we have given some examples of minerals, their functions, sources, and deficiency diseases. Iron is essential to carry oxygen to all parts of the body. We get iron from meat, spinach, apples, and raisins. If there is deficiency of iron, then we cause anemia. ॲनिमिया म्हणजे पांडुरोग. सतत थकवा वाटणे, अस्वस्थता वाटणे, चक्कर येणे इत्यादी. Next minerals are calcium and phosphorus. They make our bones and teeth strong. Sources of calcium and phosphorus are milk and milk products, green leafy vegetables, meat, etc. Deficiency diseases due to lack of calcium and phosphorus are bad teeth, brittle and weak bones. Next mineral is iodine. It controls growth, speeds up chemical reactions in the body. We get iodine from raisins, beans, fish, seafood, etc. Due to lack of iodine, we cause goiter, galagand. Next minerals are sodium and potassium. They maintain the body's water balance and functioning of the muscles and the nervous system. We get sodium and potassium from salt, cheese, leafy vegetables, fruits, and pulses. Our muscles do not work properly due to lack of sodium and potassium. Okay, we will learn remaining part of the lesson in the next videos. Okay, take care. Bye.